What's inside an Operation Christmas Child box? These Christmas boxes go out to boys and girls all around the world. Samaritan's Purse is the organization that's been doing this for years. There's a lot of rules and regulations that go into it. Since these boxes are shipped all over the world, you got to make sure that everything meets the requirements. The lid on this one does not close, so I'm going to pull everything out and repack it. There's a lot of different ways to pack these things, but I'll show you how we're going to be packing them this year. There's been a lot of volunteers helping on this project. We'll start packing the box with some colored pencils. You want to pack everything as tight as you can. You want things so tight in here that if you wanted to pour water in here, you wouldn't be able to. It's kind of like playing at old video game Tetris. Now when we close the box, it closes. Then we put a rubber band around it to keep it closed, then fold up some boxes and keep going. A lot of love and prayers go into all these boxes. One of the volunteers made a whole bunch of these turtles like this. I was just so blessed putting it in, and somebody's gonna be blessed getting it.